assess mutual funds liquidity for quick access to funds. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to discuss an important topic for investors: how to assess mutual fund liquidity for quick access to funds. If you're wondering how easy it is to access your money whenever needed, this video will help you understand the key factors that impact mutual fund liquidity. What is mutual fund liquidity? Let's start with the basics. Mutual fund liquidity refers to how easily you can buy or sell your mutual fund units without affecting the market price. In simple terms, it's about how quickly you can convert your mutual fund investment into cash. High liquidity means you can access your funds quickly, while low liquidity might mean it takes longer to liquidate your position. Why is liquidity important? Liquidity is crucial because it affects your ability to meet financial needs when they arise. If you need quick access to funds, you'll want to make sure that the mutual fund you are invested in allows for easy transaction. Understanding liquidity helps you plan better, especially if you are considering emergency situations or making sudden financial decisions. How to assess liquidity? Now, let's go over how to assess the liquidity of a mutual fund. First, you should consider the type of fund. Equity funds which invest in stocks tend to have higher liquidity compared to bond or sector-specific funds. This is because stocks are traded on exchanges and their prices are more transparent, making them easier to buy and sell. Another factor to consider is the size of the fund. Larger funds typically have better liquidity because they have more assets under management, which means they can handle more transactions without affecting the price too much. Consider the fund's trading volume. Next, look at the trading volume of the mutual fund. Funds with higher trading volumes tend to have better liquidity. You can find this information in the fund's fact sheet or by checking how actively the fund is traded. Higher volumes mean there's more buyer and seller activity, allowing you to buy or sell your units with ease. Exit load and redemption terms. Lastly, check the fund's exit load and redemption terms. The exit load is a fee that may apply when you sell your units within a certain time frame. Funds with high exit loads or restrictions might not be ideal if you need quick access to funds. Additionally, some funds may have specific redemption periods, so make sure you're aware of them before investing. To sum up, understanding mutual funds liquidity is essential for managing your investments. By considering the type of fund, its size, trading volume, and redemption terms, you can make more informed decisions about which funds allow you to access your money when needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.